Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, when people mess with the wrong cops, you'll see how poor decisions and resistance quickly turn into instant karma, as real dashcam footage shows law enforcement responding decisively when the line is crossed. Southeast patrol officers responded to the scene after receiving a report of a man attacking strangers with an electrical cable over 2 meters long. When ordered to drop the weapon, the suspect, Hugo Polanco, refused and instead charged at the officers. Despite attempts to stop him, he continued acting aggressively, forcing police to use force. Resisting law enforcement only made the outcome worse.
Face the car. Drop that kid. Turn around and face the car. Drop that kid, dude. Get in the car. Put your hands on the car and don't move from there.
Randy McGowan was arrested at a Walmart store in Summerfield after threatening customers and employees with a brick and a pocket knife. When police arrived, she was still holding the knife and speaking incoherently. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon, McGowan refused to cooperate and was subdued with a taser. Resisting the law only led to more serious consequences.
Drop the knife now. Drop the knife.
Got it. Hold on. Look, y'all, you can stay in.
Turn around, put your head behind your back first. Yes, you do. Turn around, put your head.
Immediately after receiving information about a young man threatening a school with a gun, police responded quickly. During the suspect check, he suddenly resisted and fled the scene. However, no matter how hard he tried to run and fight back, he could not escape the reach of the law. In Hyde Park, University of Chicago police responded to a robbery call, but instead encountered Thomas smashing cars and apartment windows with a long metal pipe. He ignored all commands to drop the weapon and suddenly charged at the officers. The situation escalated, forcing police to use force to restrain him.
Don't come at me! Don't come at me! Off work.
Resisting the police only increases your trouble, and the law is not alone. Citizens also stepped in to help apprehend the suspect.
Had a gray shirt, but he had something else on. Hey, somebody called and said they were worried about you. Said you were asking for water or something. Are you doing okay? Sorry. Hey, don't touch, dude. Come here. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Step it up. Thanks, guys.
choosing to resist and attack police only makes the consequences come faster than you expect. East Cleveland police arrived at the scene and witnessed a man assaulting a woman who was lying on the ground. He then suddenly turned and attacked the officers, rapidly escalating the situation. He immediately faced the consequences of his actions. A traffic accident became far more dangerous when those involved chose confrontation instead of cooperation with the law. Roseville police responded to a serious crash, but the driver advanced toward officers while holding a knife, ignoring repeated commands. Choosing to confront law enforcement has never ended well. Houston police responded quickly to a report of a knife attack. The scene became more chaotic and tense when the suspect advanced toward officers with a knife and refused to comply. Even after being shot, he attempted to flee but was ultimately subdued with a taser and arrested shortly afterward. Resisting the law leads to only one outcome.
Hey, we got one down here unresponsive. Sorry, one down here unresponsive bleeding. He's been shot.
A civil dispute quickly turned into a dangerous situation when the suspect suddenly pulled out a machete and attacked police. Timely action by officers prevented a potential tragedy. Resisting the law is never a solution, especially when you are armed and out of control. Sudden violent outbursts turned a welfare check into a forced confrontation. Police were only attempting a routine health check when Sydney Wilson unexpectedly attacked an officer with a knife, escalating the situation. She would soon regret her actions. A high-speed chase spanning several miles ended when the suspect crashed into a guardrail in a construction zone after dangerous swerving and deliberately ignoring police commands to stop. Despite attempting to flee on foot, the suspect was quickly subdued with a taser. When the law speaks, all attempts to escape are futile. And it's right,
You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Taser, taser, taser! Stay on the ground! Put your hands behind your back! Interlock your fingers! Do not move, do you understand? Give that to me inside, I'll take them into court. I got it.
The man resisted and refused to comply with police orders, then went on to attack and drag an officer. Despite being warned and given opportunities to surrender, he continued his dangerous behavior. Police were forced to open fire to stop him. Recklessly resisting law enforcement often leads to a far worse ending.
She calls me and you just go off.
Bravo on shots fired.
Police responded quickly to a reported kidnapping. Upon arrival, the woman involved not only refused to cooperate, but became extremely agitated. Angry over believing police were not helping her regain child custody, she argued aggressively with officers. Her behavior ultimately led to her arrest. And her later assaults on police would soon come at a cost.
Back to his house so I can call him. You want to help to understand. Yeah, I want to call cops on him right now because I don't want to. So don't ever touch me. Too close. If I can touch you, that means you're too close. I know. I just want to. Okay. So, do you need help with your son or not? When I can't feel anything. Don't touch me. You're touching me. Stop. You're hurting me. Ow! I'm hurting. Please, please, I never did that to you.
Have a seat.
She's touching me. I just had a f***ing surgery.
Are you okay?
I just had a surgery. Am I okay? Come on, she keeps getting over me. Yeah, because she keeps hurting me.
A chaotic situation unfolded after police located a stolen vehicle. The suspect, who was sleeping inside the car, was awakened and events quickly escalated. She drove recklessly, injuring an officer. In the end, resisting and attacking police only made the consequences worse, and she was arrested shortly afterward.
Are you refusing to open the window? Because I think you know what's going to happen.
When asked to provide identification and a driver's license, she firmly refused to cooperate, continuously making excuses and avoiding compliance. Despite officers patiently explaining and repeatedly requesting cooperation, she remained defiant. Her refusal ultimately led to her arrest at the scene. When she was taken into custody, she began to cry, but by then all excuses were already too late.
Picture and finger.
That wraps up When People Messed with the Wrong Cops. What do you think about these situations? Were the outcomes justified? How should people act when facing police? Share your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching.